32 Hot Springs. I'm 1037 with the motorcycle on Jones Road.
Where you at?
Jones Road off 67. Looks like a black motorcycle. He just wrecked out.
Back down.
Show me your fucking hands! Show me your hands! Get on the ground! Turn over!
Shit!
Turn over!
I didn't mean to.
Turn over!
I didn't mean to.
Put your face on the ground.
I'm sorry, bro.
I will get you an ambulance.
No, I don't need one.
Put your hands behind your
I wasn't
back.
trying to run from you.
You did run from me. Put your hands behind your back.
Oh shit! I'm sorry.
Stay just like that.
Yes, sir.
Don't move. You understand me?
Yes, sir.
Stand for.
Oh shit! I didn't know you was hot.
With the flashing blue lights?
I didn't see you.
You looked right back at me, man.
I was being fucking stupid.
I noticed. I'll tell you what, man. You're hurt. I'm gonna cuff you in the front. Turn over.
No, I'm not hurt. I promise you, I'm not hurt.
Well, look.
Oh fuck, Sheldon.
Who are you?
Fuck. You know who I am.
No, I can't. Right now, I don't.
I'm Cody. I work for Eric.
Oh. What are you doing?
Hell, I was on this back road right here. I was trying to just fucking come down this back road real quick.
Well, man, you're in a bad position because I can smell the alcohol in your breath too.
Oh yeah, I'm not. Shit. Fuck me, dude.
Well.
Fucking stupid ass me, dude. Now I'm about to lose my fucking kid.
Just stay right there, okay?
I promise you I'm not hurt, dude.
Well, listen. I have to have you looked at.
Fuck me, dude.
I have to. You don't have nothing on you, do you?
Damn. No, I swear to God, I don't have nothing on me. And I'm not. God, you're. Can't. I'm not. I don't want to say nothing. Fuck me.
Where's your, you have a wallet in your pocket?
I don't. Do you need my ID number?
Yeah, I'll get it from you in a second. You don't have nothing in your pockets, do you?
I swear to God, I don't have nothing, dude.
No.
Literally, I just got on his bike. Dude was like, hey, take it around the block. That's what I was going to do. And I didn't even try to run from you. I swear to God. I didn't even notice. Damn, dude. Now I'm about to lose my kid.
Them handcuffs okay?
Yeah, dude.
That one looks like I twisted it the wrong way.
No, dude, however you, I ain't.
I don't want you to be uncomfortable, man.
Fuck me, dude, why do I have to fucking be the one to do this? God damn it, dude. What do I have to do? Damn it, Sheldon, I'm sorry.
Well, here's the deal, man. I know you know who I am, but
No,
I still gotta do my job.
I really don't know who.
I know.
Really who you are.
Turn that hand over.
I know who you are, but I don't. You don't know me.
Yeah.
So I mean.
And whether I knew you or not, I still have to do my job. So.
Are you gonna? Fuck me. Do I gotta go to jail tonight?
Well, you gotta get looked at by the ambulance first.
Can I blow in your thing?
You can do all that.
Because I really haven't drank that much tonight.
Well, here's the deal. We can get to all that.
But no, I really wasn't trying to run from you.
Okay, listen.
And I really didn't.
Listen to me though. What we do have to do first is I have to let this ambulance check you out and at least get you cleaned up, okay?
Is my nose bleeding?
Yeah, your whole face is bleeding. And I would be up to say.
Can I pick my buddy's bike
No.
up with these hands?
No, I want you to.
On?
No, I want you to stay right there.
Alright. Fuck.
And you hit that fence pretty hard.
Yeah, he doesn't have no brakes. I just figured that out. We just got it going. I just rebuilt it for him.
What's your last name?
Hillborn.
No.
D-O-R-N.
You ain't got no diseases, do you?
No, sir. I just graduated drug court and all that shit, dude. I can't believe I fucking did some dumb shit.
Well, I just want you to sit tight until...
Are you sure I gotta have an ambulance now?
Yeah, I have to. It's my rule. But listen, once we cooperate with the ambulance, let them clean you up, and then we'll go from there, okay? Because your nose looks super broke.
Nah, man, it's probably broke.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's probably broke. And I really didn't mean to run from you. I really tried to hit the brakes, and it doesn't have any. You can fucking try that yourself.
Well, you slowed down, and I lit you up before you even turned on Jones Road.
What's Jones? This road?
This is Jones Road.
Okay. I seen you. I hit a little whoop, and I seen the lights, because he doesn't have any kind of fucking side mirrors or nothing on that bike. But then I seen you, and then I tried to hit the brake, and it didn't have no fucking brakes. Which, I mean, I'm glad you fucking did light me up anyways, because I'd probably fucking
Been laying out here.
right through that goddamn fence.
Was that helmet? Did you have your helmet on?
Yes, sir.
Was it strapped?
No, sir.
Judging by your face, I'm assuming not.
No, sir. It was not strapped.
Nah.
I didn't actually plan on going fast at all.
Hey, stay sitting right there, okay? Give me just a second. Are you okay, Cody?
Yeah, I'm sorry, dude.
Perfectly fine, dude. I just hope you're okay.
Check it back out.
Is anything?
I'm sorry, man. I did not mean to call you dude.
It doesn't matter to me about you. It is fine. Alright, that nose is busted good. It will definitely need stitches. Okay?
Go ahead. 10-4.
No, but I've done a lot worse.
Okay, you refusing?
Well, I mean,
No, it is up to you, baby.
I think I'm alright. Really do.
Cody, you need to go get checked out, man. Your nose is split wide open.
Yes, your nose is
Well, I
split.
mean, I was saying the neck thing. I don't
Okay.
think
Hey,
That's
hold
fine.
on to that.
Good.
That's fine.
Tell
I
him.
still feel my nose, all that.
Cody,
Yes, sir.
shut up and go to the hospital.
Listen
I
to
mean,
your
I'll
buddy.
do whatever they want me to do. I mean,
That's
you
what-
pretty much got to.
You might feel okay, but we don't know what's going on inside.
Hey, Cody, this is what I want you to know. I watched how hard you hit that fence.
This
Was he
fence?
running from
Yeah.
y'all?
Yeah.
All right.
He says he wasn't, but
Can you
yes.
sit up?
Well, I wasn't trying to.
Can you sit up?
Yeah, I got you.
And he hit that fence really hard.
All
Like, I
tell
thought he
me
was
if
going over
anything
it.
hurts.
No,
Well,
man,
I was passing you down there.
About how
I saw you
fast
take
was
off
he
in my
going?
Rear view.
I probably wasn't going, but like 30.
No, we were doing way faster than 30.
Really?
So I came
Yeah.
back around. I thought he was taking that crossroad over there.
Like, you started braking back, way back behind my car. I
All
watched you slide all the way into the fence. So,
right, I need an estimate though.
yeah, that's what he said.